Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Wranglerstar make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. Wranglerstar started his YouTube journey back on September 10, 2010. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 1,015,000. Total views are 353 million views. Average daily subs is 747, and monthly subs is currently 22,410. And this is daily income, and this is going to be an estimate. His daily views are 356,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $2. Daily income is $712. Monthly income is $21,360. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. His income is $256,320. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $140,976. Now let's talk about the Wrangler merchandise. Wranglerstar merchandise. As you know, he sells merchandise. And these are some of his t-shirts that he sells on his YouTube channel. He currently has 1 million subscribers, and I would say about 1% of his subscribers buys a t-shirt. So that gives you about 10,000 shirts per month. His average price point is $20, and he makes about $10 profit per shirt. So 10,000 shirts times $10 is $100,000 per month. So which is equal to 1.2 million. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.